Hi everybody, my name is Gracie. I'm the Parent Star Specialist here at the Children's Museum, Houston, and we are in EcoStation. Now, before we get started on Tuesday's Brain Builder activity, I want to thank the McGovern Foundation and the Hamill Foundation for sponsoring this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you something really cool. Follow me. Ta-da! Here we have a tree trunk or a tree cookie where you can see a bunch of rings. Now, each ring is actually a year or a growth season for one of the trees. Now, if you look in the middle, this is where it all started, slowly expanding outwards. If you can see closely, you can see some of these rings are bigger and some of them are smaller. So when a growth season is really good, you can have a lot of growth, making the tree ring a lot bigger. But maybe the climate isn't as great, then it's not going to grow as much, so some of the tree rings could be a lot shorter because it didn't grow as much. Isn't that cool how you can kind of track a tree and its whole life? Well, I kind of want to do the same. I'll show you how. Let's get started. All right, for this activity, all you need is a paper plate and a green and brown colored pencil or crayon marker, whatever you have on hand. You are going to start by drawing a dot in the center. And this represents when you were born. So I'm just gonna write that out, born. Next, I'm gonna draw my first ring around. And this, you can choose what important event or what was important to you in life that this first ring could be. So for example, it could be my brother was born. Then we make an even bigger ring around that. And label this as another important event in your life, like I started school. Then we do another big ring around here. And we write something else. For example, my sister was born. And we do another ring all around. This ring could be I lost my first tooth. And you go all around until you reach today. Alrighty everybody, I hope you enjoyed tracking your life like a tree, and remember to join us through our all-time access or to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to see you again. Until next time, my name is Gracie. Bye!